barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Jazz, and today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're doing something I really, truly love to do, and that is cook and eat some Mexican food. And yep, that's right. I know, my channel is based around grilling and barbecue, but I gotta tell you, I love Mexican food. I don't care what it is, I love Mexican food. I mean, obviously I'm not like super up on all the spicy stuff, but Mexican food, it's got a special place in my heart. So today we're doing something fun. I've never done this before. Of course, that's with most things that I do on this channel. Never done this. We got these giant restaurant style flour tortillas, the grande. See, I don't know if you can see it. Grande. Anyway, we got those. We have now. I had to look this stuff up. I see all these TikTok videos of people taking their shells and they dip it in like this red sauce, and then they, throw the red sauce on the flat top or whatever. And I don't know what the red sauce is. I had to look it up. They call it birria sauce. Birria. I don't know. I can't speak Spanish. I'm sorry, but they say it's birria sauce. And I did some more search because I tried to find if I could just buy some of this sauce, and I couldn't just buy it, at least not around here. I'm sure you can somewhere, just here you can't. And so I did some more research to figure out where I can get some or how I can make it or whatever, because everybody's like, you just make it on your own, which would be great and all, but I'm not that dedicated to making all that stuff on my own. So I did find out, however, that you can substitute birria sauce. You can substitute in red enchilada sauce, and it's basically the same thing, except the enchilada sauce has a little bit more like tomato paste in it, and I think it's going to be okay. It seems fairly liquidy, so we're going to try it. We're going to put it in this big bowl. We're going to dip all of our tortilla shells into the red enchilada sauce, and we're going to hope for the best. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make some big old quesadillas dipped in this enchilada sauce. So we got to get and we're using pork, by the way. I don't know how many of y'all, we normally use beef when we make tacos. We usually ground beef and we smash it up and put some taco seasoning on it or whatever. But today we're using ground pork. We started doing ground pork. We did the HelloFresh, and we really like the ground pork, so we're going to use that. Also, I ran out of my good seasoning for tacos, so we're going to go to my second best seasoning. So I don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to try it. We're going to figure it out. We're going to go with it, and hopefully all this works out, and we make some killer quesadillas. Oh, and I'm really excited about this. Can you tell? I also got shredded queso cheese. I didn't know they made this, so that's pretty cool. Shredded queso cheese. I got 2 big old bags of it because I know I'm going to be eating a bunch of it. So anyway, let's get this pork cooked up. Let's get these suckers made, and because I'm going to be ready to eat real soon. So now that we got the meat off, we turned the temperature down all the way on the Blackstone here, and we want to make sure that that's not like super hot when we put our tortilla shell on there. But while we wait for that to cool off, there's a train coming, obviously. We're gonna... What the heck, train? While we wait, we hydrate. first one, not a success. I'm gonna say, not a success. I don't know how to... We're gonna try another one. Let's just try another one. Let's see what happens, because that one's just not a success. Alright, round 2. I got it on there. This is a little bit cooler side. So we're gonna throw some more meat on here. There we go. Just like that. And of course the cheese. Update, my neighbor is mowing, in case you hear that, I don't know. But they seem to be going better. They seem to be, if I let them stay over here and just cook a little while, I put them together on this side first, move them over to here, let them cook, and they seem to be doing okay. I'm not mad at this. This looks nice. So anyway, I'm just kind of rotating them out. That's the second one I made. It's the third one, fourth one, and then I gotta make 2 more yet. So we're just gonna, I'm getting ready to take that one off, and then I'm gonna flip that one to the back, and then flip this one over here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that'll do it for quesadilla night. The red sauce quesadillas. I'm not sure how I want to title this video. I really don't know. Whatever, you'll see it. I wanted to be 100% honest and upfront with you guys, but this video probably sucked. I'm not gonna lie. I'll be real honest with you. I just couldn't film and try to cook at the same time. I'm drenched in sweat. I don't know if you can see. Look at that. Look at how bad that is. It was hot over here. I mean, super hot trying to cook that, and I'm just drenched. I actually went inside. We've already ate. I didn't show you guys me eating it, but my family loved those quesadillas. I loved those quesadillas. They were fantastic. But I'm just sorry about the video. I'm sorry. It's gonna suck. It is what it is. It was super hard to try to cook and do all that stuff and try to film at the same time, and I know I didn't do it justice. I absolutely did not do it justice. I'm not even sure what thumbnail I'm going to use for this video. Hopefully it all turns out well and you like it, but it is what it is. So that is it. That's all I have for you tonight. I'm going to go inside and cool off. I got to do some dishes and stuff yet, but and clean up out here and all that. But I'm going to go cool off, and we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on social media, all the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, NewbieQ2020, TikTok at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue, and what was it? Oh, hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button down here, down below. Subscribe. Hit that. And give me a thumbs up and comment. Let me know what you think. The sauce on the shells is awesome. Trying to cook it was a whole nother issue. Like, after the first couple, I kind of got it down on how I should do it, and it turned out well. The flavor wise, everything was good. They were great. So anyways, we will see you next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.